Okay, so I will change the spark plugs. So it is under this cover. So first, got to remove this cover. There are two nuts up here, and this is the new spark plugs. Okay, I don't know if you can see it. That's the number, and this is the socket, especially for removal and installment of the new spark plug. Okay, I just bought it. That's it. So first you want to disconnect this connector, okay, and you don't want to be rough because this is old engine. Okay, if you not gentle enough, you will might there's possibility that you will end up with breaking the connector. Okay, so I will start with the left one first. Okay, then you take out the coil. Okay, so this is the coil. Okay. So that's it. Okay. So if you can see, it is not wet, so meaning that that's the sign that the piston ring or the valve seal are still in the good conditions. Okay, so I'm gonna put the new spark plug. So if you notice, this one is not same with this one. Okay, so this one is not iridium. Okay, and this one is the iridium one, and the part number is what is recommended. It is what specified in the manual. Okay, so this one, so the last mechanic put this one. Okay, and now I'm changing it back to the original condition, and the old one has been running for about 5 years, I think. Okay, so it's a good time to change it. So now it's a matter of torque the spark plug, and according to my research, I found that the torque specified for the spark plug is about 19 Newton meter, and that's equivalent to about 194 kilogram centimeter. Okay, and so with the length of this bar, it's about 20 cm. Okay, so to get equivalent 90 Newton meter, I have to pull this bar up to about 10 kilogram. Okay, so if you want to know more, you can leave the comment down there, and also you can do the research by yourself. Okay, it's not that difficult. So I'm going to pull about 10 kilogram. Okay, and that and this luggage scale will tell me when I reach 10 kilogram. So that's it. So moral of the story. Okay, so moral of the story, buy your top wrench. Okay, that will make work easier. And then after this, I'm going to repeat the same procedure for second, third, and the fourth spark plugs. Okay, and then finally I will reconnect the connector to the coil, and before I put the top cover, I will try to crank the engine, okay, to see if the whole job has been successful or not. And one more thing that I forgot to mention is that you have to do the job when the engine is cold. Okay, you don't want to do it when the engine is hot, because if you do so, you might damage the thread of the spark plug. So I finished all the spark plugs and reconnect the coil connector. So I will try to will start the engine. So hopefully there will be no trouble.